Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am in collaboration with House of Party. They were so kind and sent me two items. One item was wall shimmer backdrop and as well as a balloon garland kit. So if you want to see how it turned out, just keep on watching. And remember, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, and all that good stuff. It will help out my channel a lot and I will appreciate it. So let's get started with the video. I'm just showing you what's inside the balloon garland kit as well as the wall shimmer backdrop. Everything is complete with instructions. I'm going to tell you guys now, please read the instructions. It will save you a lot of trouble. My behind did not read any instructions because I thought I was very smart and was like, I could do this. And then I ended up saying I can't do this. But anyways, I'm going to have the link to these two items in my description box below, as well as House of Party's Amazon storefront. They do have a wide variety of different colors and themes. So cute, super affordable. I absolutely loved how this balloon garland turned out, as well as the wall shimmer backdrop. It did take me some time to figure out because, like I said, I did not read the instructions. So right now, this is where I start to build the wall shimmer backdrop, and I'm just gonna let you see it because it's really super simple. You just kind of put all these squares together. You have zip ties, about 100 zip ties. I kind of messed up a couple times and kind of ran out of zip ties because I didn't know what I was doing because I didn't read. But you see me here just putting it all together, and with the zip ties, you kind of insert it in the end of the square at the end hole, and then you kind of attach it to the other square. And I will show you just in a few seconds how I did it up close. Right now I'm doing a zip tie to make like a little hook because it'll be a lot better when you slide in the zip tie, like, you know, underneath. It was kind of hard to dig it out on the other end. So this hook was very helpful. They also have a video on how to build this too. I will also have it linked in the description box below because they did it a lot better than I did because obviously it's their item, but they explained it a lot more than how I'm explaining it now because it's, you know, it's kind of was a little bit frustrating. Why is this going so slow? I kind of thought right here I was speeding up, but honestly I don't want to edit it out, so it is what it is. But yeah, you see me here putting it all together. I will show you a more close one, and then I'm going to stop talking and let you just see how I built it and then how I hung it up. I needed like 4 people to help me out because it was heavy. And then they came with like hooks where you stick it to the wall and then you just hook the little hook within one of those little circles, and super simple and easy. I am gonna play a little bit of music and then I'll come back to try to explain the balloon garland as best as possible.
You are not anymore. All I got is this Polaroid picture of us from June 24th. It's where I kissed you for the first time, laid on your sheets. You gave me your heart and said you trusted with me, but all I did was let you down time and time again. It wasn't my intention. Maybe we should have been friends. So you're someone I used to know, but nobody said it'd be easy. But maybe I should've known. One more drink to swallow it down. I gotta get you out of my mind. But nobody said it was easy. Maybe I should've known.
Alright, this is where I start to create the balloon garland. Like I stated before, please read the instructions. I didn't have a balloon machine blower thingy, so you see me here struggling to blow balloons. I have asthma, so it was not fun for me. I almost passed out a couple times and everybody was yelling at me saying to stop, but you know, I just kept going because I didn't want everybody else. I didn't want everybody else blowing balloons, and I'll just sit there and stare at them. So I decided to blow some more balloons. But yeah, you just see me here blowing all these balloons, and then eventually have all the balloons done because I had like 5 other people help me. Because yeah, I was definitely not able to do that all by myself. I would have been on the ground, passed out. So if you don't have a balloon machine blower thingy, please get one. It's probably like what, 20 bucks maybe at Walmart. But look at all the balloons. I didn't even need all these balloons because the garland I made is only half of what I needed. So we ended up blowing a lot of balloons. So anyways, just like the other wall shimmer backdrop, this one also has some hooks, and then I use this little, I guess, tape thingy that has holes in it. That's where you put the balloons, the end of the balloons inside the hole so it could stay put. Normally you're supposed to do this before hanging up the wall, on the wall, but I kind of did it opposite. I hung it up on the wall inside the little hooks and then added the balloons in the holes. It still worked out, but I could have just done it how it was supposed to be done. But you see me here right now. What I'm going to do is add all the big balloons in the little holes. And then once I am done adding all the big balloons, we need some that came with little tiny balloons. So we ended up just using these little sticky thingies that the kit came in with. And then we just put it on the little tiny balloons and kind of just filled in the gaps so it could look a lot more thicker. I hope I am explaining this a little bit correctly, but you see me here just adding the balloons within the little hole of the plastic rope thing. But there's a little bit of hiccups here and there. I edited that out so it looks like it's all cool and peachy, but we struggled. But being my first balloon garland by myself, I had another helper. She was super sweet and helped me out. She seen my struggle, was like, girl, let me help you. But anyways, yeah, so we got it all together. Super cute. I'm obsessed on how it turned out. It actually goes a lot longer, but I only did half the balloon garland. So cute. It looks very nice for the first time ever doing this. The backdrop looks so nice. You guys should really go check out their Amazon storefronts. Like I said in the beginning, I will have all their links in the description box, so please go check them out. Super kind. I was so excited to actually get offered this, and yeah, I'm gonna let you guys finish off the video. After the balloon garland. There you go, so cute. Anyways, after the balloon garland, we are going to design the table. So I'm gonna just stop talking and let you guys see the rest of the video.
I've been out till late, shifting beds, trying to kill the image of you. Got a million stupid reasons not to call. It's just that I want to. Do you remember how we pulled the drapes in the basement to get away from the world that we couldn't fit in? And how we used to walk those empty streets at night in the city lights is where I saw you for the last time. Said our goodbyes, sat in the car, you saw the pain in my eyes, but I just couldn't let you down time and time again. It wasn't my intention, maybe we should have been friends. So, you're someone I used to know, but nobody said it'd be easy, but maybe I should know. One more drink to swallow it down. I gotta get you out of my mind, but nobody said it was easy, but maybe I should know. Guitar. So Just one glass in, you're already on my mind. When it gets late, I always realize that I need you. Are you thinking about me too tonight? It's no secret, all my friends already know. There's no reason to hold it back, I let it show. All my feelings, are you thinking about me too tonight? Your hands around my waist, just let the music play. Like a drug, I am hooked on you. Sweeter than summer wine, baby, just hold me tight. Like a drug, I am hooked on you. And that makes me say, oh man, you make it feel like paradise. Goddamn, I think I'm gonna lose my mind. Oh man, you make it feel like paradise. Paradise. I'm taking a mental picture in my mind just to keep this moment till the end of time. 'Cause I know that it might be yours.